What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nav. I'm a 22-year-old real estate agent and I'm from Toronto, Canada. Now, you're probably here today because you read the thumbnail and you read the title of this video and you want to jumpstart your real estate career. I can tell you guys that, real estate is definitely not an easy occupation and it's not an easy profession, but there is a future as long as you stay committed and dedicated. A quick fact that, and I don't want to scare you with this, but there's a reason why this happens. But almost 97% of real estate agents who get their license don't close any deals. That means only 3% of agents are actually full-time real estate agents and have an income that they can live off of. So the reason why that is because you need to understand one thing. When you're a real estate agent, people don't just hand you work. You're not getting paid hourly, you're not getting paid salary, and it all comes down to how much you hustle. That means everything that you do within your day will count towards your hustle. So that's one thing that a lot of people don't understand. And then when you get your real estate license, one of the main questions you're gonna get is, how is it being a real estate agent? It's not easy, I'll tell you that. Like I said, you're here today to learn how to jumpstart your career, how to be better in real estate, and how to get some leads and how to close some deals as a new real estate agent. This advice will even help you as an existing real estate agent because there's always space to learn. These are the 3 things that I wanted to share with you guys that will definitely help you jumpstart your career. So one of the first things that I recommend for anybody that is looking to generate some business and you just got your real estate license is to join a team. Now, the benefit of joining a team is not only you're being mentored, but at the same time, they're definitely generating some leads. And the reason why you're on their team is because not only you need them, but they also need you. They're gonna provide you some training, they're gonna provide you some mentorship and some guidance, because remember, when you become a real estate agent, you have no idea what you're getting yourself into. And the main thing that you're gonna need is some guidance. Somebody that you can pick up the phone, call them, ask your questions, and get back into your grind. You are a shark in the middle of the water and you're looking for some food. And guess what? The fish, they don't come straight to the sharks. If anything, they kind of run away. So you gotta learn how to chase the fish and you gotta learn how to hunt. That's definitely one of the main things that I definitely recommend is joining a team. And that way you get some mentorship and some guidance. You have something to lean on if you have any questions. And the best part is they're gonna provide with some leads and that way you can make some money. Now, the next thing I wanna talk about is take advantage of this. This is your most important tool. Now, what I mean by your cell phone is not just obviously the capabilities of calling people, but take advantage of social media. Now, it's 2019. We are living in a whole nother generation of technology. The benefit of this is it's just so much easier to get the word out. Back in the day, a lot of real estate agents and other salespeople, they had to use newspapers, billboards, bus stop ads, and just maybe word of mouth. Now that stuff was either expensive or was just really hard. People tend to forget that it used to be so hard to build a business, whereas if now you can build a business overnight with the power of social media. This is what I recommend you guys to do. The first thing is make sure you know what you're doing with your Facebook and your Instagram. You need to build a business plan. I want you guys to understand. I'm gonna remind you one more time. Real estate is like any other business. You need to build the business, you need to build your brand. The power of Instagram and the power of Facebook is you have immediate access to your whole network. Now, one platform specifically is Facebook groups as well as Facebook Marketplace. Now, one thing I started to do as a real estate agent in the beginning of my career, I would find listings on MLS and I would contact the agents and I would ask permission to advertise their listings. I would take these listings and literally just repost them on Facebook. I'd repost them on Instagram as well as Kijiji. And if you live in the States, Craigslist. The benefit of this is now you're literally advertising for another agent, which A, will help that agent potentially sell or lease out the unit faster because, well, now there's another agent helping him out, as well as you may potentially find a buyer or a leasee to buy or lease that unit. You're not only finding prospects for that specific unit or house, but now you're finding prospects who are in the market. Because of this, you can now flip them. Now, this is the beauty of sales. You need to learn this. This is one of the most important things of sales, is the beauty of flipping a lead. Just because they've inquired for that specific property doesn't mean that this is the only property you can talk to them about. As long as you're generating leads, which are completely free, they're not costing you anything. You are establishing communications, you are talking to people, and you may potentially close a deal. Okay, and the final strategy I want to talk to you guys about is door knocking. Okay, I know it's old style, it's just overdone, but let me tell you guys something. Door knocking is always going to be around, and I think it's one of the best strategies. You are approaching them in reality. The difference between that and picking up the phone and calling somebody is really different, because when you call someone and they just hang up on you, they don't know who you are, they forget about you right away. Whereas if you were to knock on someone's door, they're gonna see you. They're not gonna forget what you look like. Now, I can say that it's not one of the easiest strategies, and there are better ways to establish connections with people and generate leads, but let me tell you guys something. You will over time be a better speaker, because the thing is with door knocking, people will put you in your place. And the number one thing about real estate is you need to know how to be prepared for almost every objection. You're gonna learn how to answer questions, and you're gonna learn how to come over objections a lot better when you're in the spotlight. And your pitch is gonna get better and better, and next thing you know, you're closing deals. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Please smash that like button and that subscribe button. It's really gonna help me out, guys. And if you had any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.